Blink. I got in at 180, out at 250, out at 180. So Blink I'm out of. So we have, this is everything you can trade. Official signals, I don't know the win rate, we'll call it 72 just because I don't know. No signals today. Super options, that we have a 71% win rate over the last 6 months. Those have been really good. Day trades, no day trades for today. 48-hour spike, I'm going to flip that with super squeeze. This is kind of everything you can take, guys, throughout the day. No 5-minute bars today. No day trades today. So we'll see what happens between now and this little session here. PAA going higher. 20-25 on those. NRG down a couple pennies. Melco down. X down. Chick was trying to tell you to buy Freeport yesterday. CNC 70.5 trading here. Wow. This is a 48-hour spike. I can't take these, but CNC, I can't take these. CNC, I can't take these. So 48-hour spike. Buy CNC, May 21st, 2021. 70.5 calls, and they hit these at 105. Targets 150 and 2. On the 48-hour spikes, I would use a stop loss on everything. So if you wanted to take this, you could take this for 2 days. So May 70.5s at 105, and you probably can't even get in there. Look at how wide this market is. They're 85 at 295. So you probably actually can't even get in there. CNC. Ha! Not quite, but close. Neo puts 155. I think Neo goes lower. If the high is in for the day, how low can Neo get? Let's look at that one. The high is in for the day, Neo could get potentially to 32 and change. Oh, and puts being bought here, 36.5s. ALL calls are 160, PAA calls are 25. You thought the market was going to go down more and you just wanted to take off PAA for break even. I don't blame you. So PAA, if you want to take these off for break even for 20 cents, you can. Own discretion, what you want to do with your capital. I actually have a structured note in Airbnb, and that one's getting destroyed. Oh, nice little bounce back today, though. I have it down to 100. So I still have about another 33% downside. Airbnb, 120 to 220 to 140. Interesting. Malco June 20s, I'm 20 bid. 30, 35. So I have a bunch of bids way under the market. I have a bunch of bids in way under the market just in case it gets crushed. Bank of America puts trading here. Day trade EV put signals. I could create a scanner for that. Mattel, I sold calls, bought stock 1-to-1. So in Mattel, I bought stock. Actually, I'm down $8. So I bought stock at 21.12, and I sold the 20.5 calls for 40. So it's the same thing as selling puts naked. Bought stock at 21.12, and sold these calls at 40. So even though I'm losing money on this, I'm actually down on the trade. I'm down $8 on this trade. But my goal is to get the stock to above 21.5, and I just collect 80 cents. We'll track that. They're 35.40 here. Bolty of a bath today. Futures on the lows, about to break 4,100. Oh, 4,100 has been broken. 4,100 has been broken. You might see a big wash down right now, because a lot of traders will have stops under big numbers. 4,100 is a big number. So the next 3 points could be down 8 points really quickly, then a quick bounce. So we break 4,100. Next level, I think, is around the 39.50 level. 39.50, I think, is where we get to. Look at that. That selling is pretty fierce. It's hard to be shorting here because you look at the RSI. The RSI has gone from 70 to 44 in 3 days. That means this selling pressure is fast. You see the VIX above 24 now. Kroger June. I didn't see anything. Oh, it's ex-dividend. As an ex-dividend, so that's probably why. It's probably something to do with ex-dividend. Lulu puts. Lulu's gone from 400 to 300. It's not even that bad. Freeport Weekly 41.5 puts. Freeport Weekly 41.5 puts. 20 cents. Doesn't move at $2 a day. So 50, 30, and 50. A lot of Freeport puts being bought, guys. I would take these as day traders if it was in the first hour of the day. But I'm not going to buy them here. 41.5 puts trading 20 cents, guys. 41.5 puts trading 20 cents. You actually see volume is less than open interest. So these are Freeport puts here. So I'm giving you a couple put ideas. PHM is technically up money, and then NEO is down money. Muds is up. CVNA trading here, puts. Facebook down before earnings. Facebook down 10% from the highs. Before earnings, it was 307. Now it's 299. Where's Disney? Twitter set 40 puts being bought 150, 140. Twitter set 40 puts being bought, volume is less than open interest. Yeah, I mean, don't really see that much craziness going on, even the market's down this much. I still don't think we see the panicness. Is that a word, panicness? I think so. I want it to go down way more too. That everything is cheaper. Panicness. This would be 3 black crows. 3 black crows with 3 bear candles in a row is very bearish, actually, guys. 3 red candles in a row is very bearish. Mud's up 40 cents. Where are the buyers? June 30 Titans. I tried to buy these yesterday. They're back up to 60. GameStop down 2.5. Vips 26.5 being bought. May 26.5 in Vips. SWN calls being bought small. Futures down 45. But a very orderly sell-off. I don't think this is a panic sell-off. I think this is a very orderly sell-off. Give me something to talk about. I wouldn't mind a panic sell-off. Facebook down, Twitter, Tesla down 13. Wells Fargo trading here, nothing new in Fargo. Futures. Halliburton July 28th being bought. Halliburton July 28th being bought. Maybe a pullback, but I wouldn't be buying them here. July 28th and Halliburton being bought here, guys. They paid 60 cents here. Halliburton. So this is scan ID. I'm not taking them. 7/16, 2021. 28 calls for 60. Targets 90 and 120. So not taking these King Hal, guys. But an idea. I think Halliburton's up too much in a short period of time. So Halliburton, here's an idea. I'm not taking them. RSI getting close to 70. Actually isn't 70 yet, so it's not that bad. Halliburton, guys. Halliburton. Halliburton. Apple trading here. Lemonade. Ooh, Lemonade back. Oh, Lemonade getting crushed. I have a structured note in this one. This one's just getting destroyed. Lemonade down $12. Wow. It's gone from 188 to 60 bucks. That is crazy. Lemonade getting crushed here. Futures down 50. Schlumberger calls being bought. I think anything in the oil name, like they might work, but I just think they're too hard right now. I want to be chasing everything as they run up. I mean, MAT is something I would like better than something like that, than the oil names. And it didn't hit Option Hacker anyways. And an Option Hacker I trust. SCCO July 65 puts being bought. SCCO July 65 puts being bought. July 65 puts and SCCO trading here. July 65s and SCCO. Nothing. Futures down 50. Give me more selling. PAA is our only signal today, so we'll update that in the portfolio. PAA. You can get Halliburton at that level if you like them. PAA 2025 still. So PAA 2025. No day trades, kept us away from probably some losing trades. Because the market's going straight down. It's probably taking us away from some losing trades. BIIB puts trading here. Can you make a video doing a covered call? Maybe. It's selling calls, buying stock 1-to-1. I'll talk to my team to see if they want me to do a video on that. I get my second shot today. The first shot I got nothing, but the second one is today. I'm a little bit nervous for, but I'm supposed to have dinner plans tonight, but I might just not do them just due to the fact that I have it. PRCH May 15th trade a buck 10,000. MRP at PRCH. Like, this is a good. I don't know what they're doing here. The Porch Group May 15th. The Porch Group May 15th. The Porch Group May 15th. It does have a big ATR. Look at the Porch Group. No idea what it even does. The Porch Group. The Porch Group. No idea what this company even does. The Porch Group. Let's look and see what they do. So Porch Group, Yahoo Finance. Financials profile. Operates software platform for home services, home buyers. All right. And June 20 is being bought. That's interesting. It looks like they bought. I have no idea. They sold the June 12s. To buy the 10s, to buy the May 17s, and sell the June 20s. Really weird to see what they're doing here, guys. Kind of weird to see what they're doing here. The Porch Group. It's a four-way spread. A four-way spread. Four-way spread here. Futures on 55 now. Futures on 55. Can't stop it. No day trades so far today, guys, and that's probably a good thing. It probably kept us away from some losing trades. Still don't see the panic I would expect. I don't think this is the panic that I would expect. Almost even down 100. The only thing I got long, Freeport puts working out. Yeah, that's to 27. I would have taken that as a day trade if it happened the first hour of the day. So if it happened in the first hour of the day, I would have taken that as a day trade. But it didn't. 3 minutes ago, guys, I'd have to go to the 1450 club room. They're gonna be like, why didn't you tell me to buy puts 3 days ago? And I'm gonna say, because I don't have a crystal ball. Neo puts 170. I did put those on just for my small, just to see if I can make money on puts. Futures down 53. And if I bought those at 110, which I was trying to buy them for, I was going to call that a signal at 110. That would have just hit profit target number 1. So that would have hit profit target 1. Nordalock working really well. Futures down 55. ALL is kind of just hanging out here. So ALL just hanging out here. Those are basically unchanged. If you want to get the Halliburton signal, you could. Minutes ago, guys. Minutes ago in the period. Coming back. A little bit. Alright guys, that is it for me. I have to jump into Project 303. Everybody have a good day. Thank you guys so much. Be careful today, again as yesterday. I think we're going to close on the lows. Everybody have a great day. Thanks. I'll see everybody tomorrow.